morning, grade 7. Let's go for question 2 from practice set 42. Now see, in set 42, question 1 was complete the table in which 4 sub-questions were there. We have done them, and now let's go to the second question. Second question says, if the circumference of circle is 176 centimeters. So circumference is given as 176 centimeters. Take down first what is given and find its radius. You have to find radius. We have formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So circumference is 176, which is equal to 2. Pi is 22 upon 7 into r. I want to find r. I am keeping it over here and shifting all this. So 176. This is in denominator. Here it will go in numerator. So division becomes multiplication, and this both will go in division. 2 into 22 is equal to sign as it is. I hope you are understanding. Okay. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16 and 2 again 8s are 16. So you have 22 ones are and 22 fours are. So how much is radius? And therefore radius comes out to be 4 into 7. So radius is equal to 28 and use the unit centimeters. Is this clear? Alright. Fine, let's go to the third problem now, students. Let me erase this. Now look at the third question. Radius of a circular garden is 56 meters. What would it cost to put a 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? Now see students, if there is a garden like this and you are putting the fence means you are nothing but it is the circumference which will be counted. If this is a garden like this, circular in shape, you are going to put the fence like this, no? Fence is like this, isn't it? Whatever it is. So what you are doing, this is one round of fence. Above that there will be second round of fence. So this height will go on increasing, but the radius of the fence will remain same. So putting fence means you are nothing but how much, if whatever length of the you are using wire or whatever it is. Fence means it is nothing but the circumference. That you should understand. So radius of a circular garden is 56 meters. So from here, if this is the center of a garden, this is 56 meters. Okay, they have said. What would it cost to put a fence, 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? So this is one round of fence like this. How many rounds you are going to put? 4 rounds. And then that you will have to calculate total how many meters of that wire or whatever material you are using to make the fence or put a fence. Then total, first calculate circumference, multiply it by 4 and then multiply with the rate which has been given. That will be the cost. Have you understood? What is important point to understand over here is fence of a circular garden is nothing but it is circumference. If you are using wire to put a fence, then what is the length of the wire required? It will be same as circumference of a circle. Okay, once this is clear, it will be easy for you to proceed further. So you have radius which is equal to 56 meters. So first let us calculate circumference. It is 2 pi r. So circumference will be 2 into 22 upon 7 into 56. So 7 ones are and 7 eights are. Isn't it? So circumference will be equal to 22 into 2 is 44 into 8, which is equal to 32. 8 fours are 32 and 35. So this is one round of fence. This much material will be required, whatever they are using. Now 4 rounds of fence means this is one round. So it is 352 into 4. Alright. So what will be the total length? It is 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. So 1408 meters of whatever material they are using, it will be required to put 4 fence of round around the garden. Now, what is the cost they have asked? This is the length required. What will be the cost? Rate is 40 rupees per meter. If this much meters of wire is required, per meter means 1 meter, 40 rupees is the rate. So what is the length? 1408 So how many meters or how many rupees will be the rate, isn't it? So 1408 into 40, that will give you the cost. So you can say cost of fencing, remember this, cost of fencing is equal to rate into total length. So total length is this and the rate is 40. So it is 40 into 1408. So this 0 I am putting it over here. 4 8s are 32. 4 zeros are 0 and 3. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 and you have 5. So how much is the cost of fencing? It is 56,320 rupees. Right there, mate, huh? This is rupees. So this much amount will be required to put the fence around a circular garden, that too 4 rounds. Okay, I hope you have understood. Please stop or pause the video and then take down all the steps. Let's go for the fourth, that is last problem from this set 42. Let's go for it. Now before we go for fourth problem, you understand one concept, students. If this is the wheel, any wheel over here, and I am starting from this point, I'll mark it over here. This is my starting point and I'm putting this indication over here. Okay. Now if I start to rotate like this, okay, if this wheel is moving in circular direction, okay, so it has moved and it has come up till here, and again I have touched the initial point, so it is up till here. So from here to here, this distance is same as distance from here to here. So this is circumference and this is completing one rotation. So what you should understand? Distance covered by wheel or whatever it is in one rotation is equal to the length of the circumference. So one rotation is equal to circumference. If you know this, it is very easy to do the fourth problem. Let's go for it now. See what the problem says. Wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meters. So let us first write diameter is given as 1.4 meters. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels? So distance traveled. Distance is equal to 1.1 kilometer. Okay. Now what I said, in one rotation distance traveled is equal to circumference. Alright, one rotation distance traveled is as good as circumference. So first let us find out the circumference. What is circumference? It is pi into d. We have d now. Alright. So what is circumference? C is equal to 22 upon 7 into d. Diameter. Diameter is how much? 1.4. So you have 1.4. 7 ones are 7 0.2s are. Isn't it? 7 2s are 14, we know. So circumference is 4.4 meters. This is meter, this is kilometer. Now you know the conversion. 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So it is 1.1 into 1000 meters. Alright. So it will be 1100 meters. This is the distance travelled. Circumference is 4.4 meter. Distance travel is 1100 meters. Now what we have to find? Number of rotations. What I told you, this is rotation, number of rotations, and we can write over here distance. Okay. In one rotation, how much is the distance covered? It is equal to 1 circumference. It is equal to not 1 circumference. I'll write only C. Okay, number of rotation 1. What is the distance traveled? It is equal to circumference. That means it is equal to 4.4 meter. So this is equal to 4.4 meter. Now how many meters the cart has traveled? Wheel has traveled over here. 1100 meter is equal to how many rotations? So you are going to cross multiply. I hope you are understanding. I'll write here X. Now if you please pause the video and take down all the steps. Now see, if we cross multiply, what are we going to get is 1 into 1100 is equal to x into 4.4. We have to find the value of x. So x will be 1100 upon 4.4. Is this clear? That will give you number of rotations. So let us find number of rotations. I want to get rid with this point, so I am multiplying here by 10. So I have to multiply here also by 10. So up you will get 3 zeros, that is 11,000. This will go off and we'll get 44. Okay, now see, 11 1000s are 11 4s are, isn't it? 4 1s are, and 4 25s are 100. 25 4s are 100, and this 0 remains as it is. So number of rotations is equal to 250. I hope the problem is clear. Okay, so that's all from my side, students. Thank you.